Canadian fire alarm systems: installation, inspection, testing, and maintenance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's electrical codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led Canadian fire alarm course covers the core requirements of Canadian fire alarm standards, from installation techniques to inspection, testing, and maintenance procedures. It provides a comprehensive overview of how to apply current life safety standards across industrial, commercial, and institutional facilities. What you'll learn: students will learn detection and alarm devices, control units, initiating circuits, notification appliances, and power supplies. The course explains how to interpret codes and standards such as the National Building Code of Canada and CAN ULCS 524. This course teaches proper testing, maintenance, and troubleshooting practices to ensure system integrity and compliance. This course delivers interactive discussions, case studies, and real-world examples to demonstrate how to apply Canadian fire alarm standards effectively. Students gain insight into common installation errors, testing failures, and best practices for system maintenance and documentation. Who should attend? This course is designed for fire alarm technicians, electricians, engineers, building owners, facility managers, maintenance personnel, and contractors who install, inspect, test, or maintain fire alarm and life safety systems. This course comes with a Canadian Fire Alarm Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and comprehensive PDF course materials. Register today for EFTI's Canadian Fire Alarm Training and ensure your installations and inspections meet code compliance.